Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here, and today I'm going to show you how to make cherry bars. Okay, I thought these would be a fun little dessert to make in honor of President's Day coming up. As you know, it's always the third Monday in February, and the reason we are making the cherry bars is because there is a story about George Washington that when he was 6 he received a hatchet as a gift and he chopped down his father's cherry tree. And when his father asked him about it, he said, "I cannot tell a lie, I did chop down the cherry tree." So we are going to make cherry bars for that reason. And because I had leftover cherry and I thought it would be fun. So here is what you need to make these bars. I am just going to make a 9x9 size batch, but of course if you want to make a 9x13 you can just double everything. So we need 1/4 cup of butter, which is also 4 tablespoons. You need 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and then you need 11 ounces of cherry pie filling. So then for the glaze, we need 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar, 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/2 to 1 tablespoon of milk, just depending. So our first step is go ahead and preheat our oven to 350. Okay, so next we are just going to cream together our butter. So you want to make sure that is softened. I just put mine in the microwave for a few seconds. Sugar and salt until they're light and fluffy. Okay, so next we are going to beat in our egg, and then after that's well blended, go ahead and add your vanilla extract. Okay, that looks all mixed together. So now we are just going to gradually add our 12 tablespoons or 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. You just want to do that maybe half and half. So do 6 tablespoons, stir it, and then do the other 6. Okay, so next you just want to go ahead and take about half of your dough and put it in the bottom of your dish. It's not that much. It will just form a very small layer. And I did spray this with cooking spray first. And then next we are going to spread out our cherry pie filling over top of that. Okay, that looks good. So next we are just going to take our remaining batter and just take that by spoonfuls and drop it over top of the cherry pie. Okay, I just took a knife and kind of marbled mine in, almost like you would with like a cheesecake. And then just flatten it all back down so your cherries aren't going crazy in there. And now we are going to go ahead and put that in the oven. The recipe says about 30 to 35 minutes, but we're going to do 20 and check on it. Okay, that just came out of the oven. It did cook for 30 minutes, so the directions did call for 30 to 35, so that was right. So next, in a small bowl, while you let that cool, you want to go ahead and make your glaze. So what the glaze is just 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar. It says 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla, but I added 1/4 teaspoon. I just didn't like the taste of it. And then if you just mix in milk until you have the consistency that you want. I mixed in probably about 1 tablespoon of milk total. And then after this cools, you just want to pour your glaze over top. Okay, that is what the finished product should look like. I just drizzled my glaze over top of everything. Now we're going to go ahead and cut a little piece out for Taste Tester to have a little taste. Okay, I cut off a little piece for Taste Tester. We're going to have him have a little taste. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Me. Not how I got these are yum yummy.
Okay, everyone, come back and see us again. Happy President's Day.
Happy President's Day.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye. Bye.